Hey guys, guess what I have? My first of Lord only knows how many boxes of 2018 Chronicles baseball that I will open. This one I pre-ordered. I pre-ordered another one from eBay, but that one I'm not sure when it'll come. Hopefully tomorrow, if not the next day. But this one I got today. I don't know if today's release day actually or not. But either way, here it is. My much beloved, I have worn 2017 Chronicles out. And if 2018 is nearly as good as 2017, I'll be repeating that. There are 3 autos and 1 mem card. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. Chronicles has been very good to me. If you've watched the videos from 2017, including the 4 that I just posted, all in one video, then you know. I am a little surprised there are only 6 packs per box, so that's down from what 8 or 12 in 2017, so that's a little disheartening. Let's see if I'm anxious to see if they've redesigned the base card, since that was kind of a downer. Lots of people weren't crazy about that. Okay, so this I'm not sure if this is the base or the base is all a mix of other designs. This is like Score Football, but it's Yadier Molina baseball, so that's weird. Here is a Dominic Smith. Okay, this is a Chronicles numbered to 299. A Trey Turner Prestige football design. Verdugo Crusade rookie, not numbered. JP Crawford Phoenix rookie. Gosh, I love the Phoenix design. That looks so good. Paul Blackburn autograph from, this is the Panini 2018 football design. Not the best player to get, but not numbered. Ahmed Rosario rookie studio, and an Anthony Rizzo, which looks like status basketball. So wow, it's pretty cool. It's just a whole mix of stuff. Here's a Chronicles. Okay, so this must be the base design. This is the base design. Here's an Albies rookie. There's the back. Pretty good. Not nearly as busy as last year. And we have Crisell, a Giancarlo Stanton Rookies and Stars. Again, take on the football design. Another Ahmed Rosario Crusade, but this time it's like a hollow refractor version. Correa Phoenix. Here we have an Andrew Stevenson autograph. This is numbered out of 199. A prestige design. So that's 2 hits. There's a Gleyber Torres status rookie. Another Verdugo. This is Impressions. I think it's Impressions style. Good looking card there. Wow, this stuff is definitely interesting. Oh, I'm already kind of digging it, honestly. Alright, next up we have a Correa base, an Albies numbered rookie to 199, status of crap, design of, what was it, Donruss not Donruss, crap. I can't remember. I know you guys know. Somebody can comment below. Classics. I think it was Classics. So that's a nice card. Austin Hayes, another Classics design. Good grief, it says it right there. Here's an Aaron Judge Crusade. A Dominic Smith Select. Nice. Then we have a Clint Frazier Spectra triple jersey card, triple threat, neon blue, numbered out of 99. A Clint Frazier Impressions rookie, and a Walker Buehler Studio rookie. Neither of these are numbered. Come on, wrapper. Alright, next we have McCutcheon, a Cody Bellinger score, Aaron Judge Limited. That's a nice looking card there. Ozzie Albies Prism, sweet. Juan Soto, oh, this is orange, peach, whatever they call this. It's numbered out of 99. It's an optic design. Then we have an Arenado Spectra super thick stock. Gorgeous card, not numbered. Ahmed Rosario rookie impressions, and a Reese Hoskins status. Looks like there's lots of different versions of the rookie cards for sure. Wow. I think that's how many Rosarios is that already? Wow. Next we have Villanueva Donruss rated rookie, a Austin Hayes Chronicles parallel rookie to 49. Acuna rookie, prestige design. An Andujar, look at that. Prism to 299. JP Crawford rookie, Phoenix. A Dustin Fowler neon blue Spectra super thick rookie to 99. Ryan McMahon status rookie, and an Ozzie Albies gorgeous studio rookie. We have one more pack. Alright, last up we have Yadier Molina Chronicles, another Albies, but this is a score design. Acuna Classics design rookie. Oh sweet, a optic prism, Contenders optic, Austin Hayes chrome card. So this will probably come in hollow designs too. Refractor looks. Caleb Smith rated rookie optic. Francisco Meja Spectra patch on card autograph gold out of 10. So that is 3 autographs, 1 jersey card, and this stuff is already like winning me over. That is a gorgeous card. Absolutely gorgeous. My last 2 cards are Max Fried rookie impressions and Victor Robles to 99. I don't know if all the boxes are this good, but this was really a joy to open. I hoped that this would be good, and it has absolutely exceeded my expectations. Wow, I cannot wait. I'm going to immediately order a couple of more boxes. This is some really good stuff. Fun to open, just like I hoped it would be. So let me shut up talking and get this uploaded so you guys can see it. Wow, that's just awesome. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I'll have my next box just as soon as I get it in my hot little hands. I'll have that opened and uploaded for you as well. And like I said, I'll have a couple of more boxes on the way. Everybody take care. Hope you have a great night.